And he shall give the sign, when he's going in or when they are going in. Inside the factory. Hello. Hello, Ayobowan. Hello, hello, hello. Hello. I'm happy to be here again after 4 weeks or something like that, no? And so we want you also to get into the scene. Yeah, you are part of the story. We want also to show to all our customer, who is target now and who is behind it.
Warmly welcome user and Mrs. Dang as the wife of our chairman, and especially our two new guests. Not new, actually, they were been here many times. Mm-hmm. But Tamias and Shakira. And on behalf of Target Sri Lanka, we warmly welcome our chairman and his family. So, and today we came to introduce our factory and how we process, and especially our staff who is doing which kind of role, what their job role, and how they are.
Yeah.
Okay, so our customers also can see to whom they are communicating. So.
They also make dehydration now. Und wir machen mal getropft. Bei was?
Hello, I'm Dilsha, representing the production department at Target Agriculture Sri Lanka. I'm involved in managing and monitoring production operations from raw material unloading to final packing. We specialize in processing fresh tropical produce into value-added products while maintaining strict quality standards across our IQF production, juice extraction and dehydration lines. Thank you.
Hello everyone, I'm Chandra Rasara, working in the quality department, Target Agriculture Sri Lanka. My main responsibility is to ensure the quality of final product. Therefore, I conduct quality inspections, monitor production process, review documentations and coordinate with different departments to maintain the quality of product. Through these activities, I ensure that our customers receive high quality safe product while maintaining their company and overall international standard.
මම කටින් සෙක්ෂන් එකේ සුපර්වයිසර් නිල්විනී මල්කාන්ති. මේ තියෙන කටින් සෙක්ෂන් එක, මේකේ දැන් යන ප්‍රොඩක්ෂන් එක IQF ප්‍රොඩක්ෂන් එක. අපි මෙතනින් කරන්නේ IQF එකට අවශ්‍ය ටික ගන්නවා. එතනින් ගන්න බැරි ටික ජූස් එකට රිජෙක්ෂන් යන ටික වෙනම අවශ්‍ය ටික විතරක් IQF එකට අපි ගන්නවා.
So it takes 2 minutes, Emergency. Starting it.
May make a trouble in the electric system. But tomorrow it will fix again. That's what they say.
මම ප්‍රවීණ උදාන්ත නිෂ්පාදන සුපරීක්ෂකයෙක් වශයෙන් ටාගට් ඇග්‍රිකල්චර් සමාගමේ සේවය කරනවා. මේ අවස්ථාවේ සිදුවන්නේ කරපිංචා ඩිහයිඩ්‍රේට් නිෂ්පාදනයක්. තත්ත්වයෙන් උසස් පරිදි නියමිත පරිදි කරපිංචා වෙළඳ පොලෙන් මිලදීගෙන මේව අපේ කර්මාන්තශාලාවට ගෙනවිත් පසුව ඩයර් යන්ත්‍ර මගින් වියලා නැවතත් අපගේ සේවකයන් ලවා අනවශ්‍ය භාවිතයට නුසුදුසු පත්‍රිකා ඉවත් කොට අවසාන වශයෙන් ඇසුරුම් කොට අපනයනය සිදු කරනවා.
Und die Maschine detect, wenn da irgendwie 1000 Kilos.
Actually, we have the order for 13,000 kilos, but I don't think that we can finish with
Ja, ja.
13.
Die ganzen Sachen müssen da durchgeschickt werden, ja? Mit dem Metalldetektor. Dann macht das.
Hello, I am Viresha. I am proud to be a part of finance department at Target Sri Lanka.
Hello, my name is Ganesha. I am an account executive at Target Sri Lanka. I have been with the company for the past 2 years. I am responsible for supporting to companies' financial health through financial reporting, budgeting, expense control, manage financial transactions, reconcile accounts and verify payments. And my role helps to ensure accuracy, compliance and reliable financial information for effective decision making. And by the monitoring strong financial controls and accurate records, I contribute to companies' efficiency, growth and overall success.
Hello, I'm Marisha. I'm working as an executive in export department at Target Agriculture Sri Lanka. I closely work with all departments to ensure smooth export operations and timely delivery of our product to valuable customers. In my role, I handle export documentations, coordinate shipments, communicate with customers and freight forwarding parties to ensure our product delivers safely and on time to our customers.
Hello, I'm Shakila. I work as a HR executive at Target Sri Lanka. My role is to support our employees throughout their journey with the company, from recruitment and onboarding to employee engagement and HR administration. I help to create a positive work environment where our team can grow and perform at their best. Thank you.